we are selling our RV. Bye-bye, Columbus. See you later. I'm Tom. I'm Tom.
And I'm Cherie. And I'm Cherie. And we're Enjoy the Journey.
And this is EnjoyTheJourney.Life. I'm Tom, and this is EnjoyTheJourney.Life. Our channel is all about RV living and traveling full-time. The Columbus is a 2013 Forest River Palomino Columbus 365 RL. The Columbus has been a great RV. It does have a few bumps and bruises from our journeys, and if you are seriously interested in buying our RV within the next couple of weeks, we want to hear from you. Contact us by email. We will get full detailed information together for you that we can respond back to you with. And instead of doing a full RV tour right now, we have done several videos where you can see the full tour. We will link to both of those down in the video description so you can get a really good idea if you haven't watched those before. I'm going to go ahead and read some of the work that's been done to the Columbus here so you know what we've done. We added the new Salem tires about a year ago, G-rated Salems. They have been awesome. And 2 batteries in the last year. Within the last year and a half, new axles, an awning, most holding tanks have been replaced within the last 2 years. It has an Onan 5500 propane generator, a washer and dryer, dual duct AC units, that's 2 of them, and a 50 amp power, 4 slide outs with toppers, theater seating with an entertainment center and fireplace. And if you noticed in some of our previous videos, the theater seating was coming apart. We actually have brand new seating that arrived, and I just have to install it, but I will find a picture and put it up on the screen here so you can check that out. It's going to be really cool, electric reclining theater seating, USB ports. It's going to be awesome. So again, serious inquiries only. If you are interested in having our RV, you can find our email address down below and just contact us and we will get you some additional information. Plus, we will meet with you, both Cherie and I, to personally show you all the way around the RV, show you how it works, make sure you're comfortable with everything and that you are ready to take the Columbus out. And if you're serious and you want more information about our RV and you can purchase it within the next couple of weeks, we're talking like by mid-June. We are in the Florida area. We can meet with you down here, but we do have plans to get going, so we do need to make this deal pretty quickly. So what's next for Cherie and I? Well, you'll have to find out. Stay tuned. And if you're brand new to our channel, we have lots of videos here. You can click up here, watch those other videos, hit that subscribe button down there, ring that little bell, and I know it's not a long video, but if you like it, you can give it a thumbs up. We appreciate that, and comment below as well. And you can find out more in the next video.